Microsoft reporting its fiscal 2019 second quarter results, and the stock, which was up during the day today, is down after hours. Susan Lee joins us. What are we seeing in the numbers?
Not enough love from Microsoft. You know, it's still the largest company in the world, right, guys? Overtaking Amazon recently. So we're looking at, I would say, pretty much in line with expectations. A penny beat on profit on the bottom line, so $1.10 per share. That's an increase of 13% from last year. When it comes to revenue, I'm going to call it a slight miss. It's very slight. So the market was looking for $32.51 billion. We got $32.5, a little bit short. Maybe that's a reaction that we're seeing in the stock price right now. But as you know, Microsoft transitioning from selling Windows now to being a cloud company with Azure gaining speed. So it looks like the intelligent cloud is probably the revenue number that we're most concerned with. And coming in at $9.4 billion, I think the outlook was looking for something a little bit stronger than that. But I'll get you more as soon as I go through these headlines and try to compare it to the estimates. Back to you.
All right, Susan, thank you.